Amid Donald Trump's targeting of India over trade imbalances and the import of discounted Russian oil, Delhi welcoming China's foreign minister this days before Prime Minister Modi travels to Tianjin for a regional Shanghai Cooperation Organization summit, where he'll be sitting down with Chinese President Xi Jinping. The two sides sounding upbeat after a meeting over the two superpowers' long-running border dispute. For more, let's cross to the Indian capital. Correspondent Navodita Kumari. Navodita, Foreign Minister Wang's visit to include a sit-down with the Indian Prime Minister.
Yes, absolutely. I think in the coming minutes we will have an alert about their meeting. They were supposed to meet 20-30 minutes ago, so we are expecting an official statement about what they discussed during their meeting. But on Tuesday morning, since his arrival, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi met Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and also National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. Among the main agendas discussed during the meetings are, of course, bilateral ties and trade. India also expressed, according to sources, that India needs rare earths, tunnel boring machines, and also fertilizers. India also requested for allowing Indian pilgrims to the Tibet Autonomous Region and sharing river data. And on its part, India has resumed issuing a visa to Chinese tourists, and also there are reports that direct flights between India and China will also restart. Remember, it's important, in fact, to remember that the relations between India and China deteriorated and hit rock bottom after their troops clashed in the Galwan Valley in Ladakh in the Indian administered Jammu and Kashmir, in which at least 20 Indian soldiers and at least 4 Chinese soldiers were killed. So after that, the relations between the two countries had considerably deteriorated, and these meetings are seen as an important step towards improving their bilateral ties, and also it also sets the groundwork for the upcoming meeting of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is set to visit China after a long gap of 7 years, and also is expected to hold a bilateral talks with the Chinese President Xi Jinping. So definitely the meeting on Tuesday between Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi and Indian diplomats is seen as a positive development.
Yeah, the warming of ties coming even though it was Chinese-made weapons that helped Pakistan in their recent border skirmishes with India. Definitely a Trump factor there.
Oh, definitely. According to foreign policy experts, it has played a major role. India was shocked, in fact, when it was slapped with a 25% tariff on its goods going to the US and an additional penalty of 25% for buying discounted Russian oil and arms. So a total of 50% tariff on Indian goods. That's among the highest in the world imposed by US on any country. And of course, after there was military escalation and confrontation between India and Pakistan in May, China is believed to supply fighter jets to Pakistan, which was used on Indian soil. So that was a point of contention, and India was usually displeased with this move. But these meetings on Tuesday give hope to improving relations between the two Asian giants, and both Chinese minister and Indian minister, in their opening remarks before beginning their meetings, they have expressed the need for a bipolar world order and also a multipolar world order, and also multipolar Asia to contend the rising global issues, and especially without naming US, they are pointing towards the global uncertainties and economic uncertainties created by these trade war started by the US. So these meetings are seen as an important signal and an important thaw in India-China ties, and which have seen years of hostility.
Navodita Kumari reporting live from Delhi. Many thanks for that update. Israel